Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is, I think, still $21 a month. This box is big. Now, I did not upgrade to the premium, and this box is big, so I wonder. Okay, so it just says Boxycharm. I don't know. Anyway, there is a giveaway going on right now. If you are interested, there are 8 winners. There are some Jeffree Star products in there. That is linked down below. Invite your friends, your family members, anyone you want that you think would actually be interested in my content, which is, I mean, you guys know what it is. Unboxings, vacations, food, blah, 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 blah. Anyway. There's other information down there if you are also interested in taking a gander at that. So let's get into Boxycharm. So again, you have, if I'm not mistaken, you have Boxycharm, Boxy Premium now, and then Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly thing. I still get Boxycharm, but I'm kind of baffled at how large this box is. So open it up and that's what I see. You do get a card that tells you the prices. Ooh, Breaking the Ice, that's kind of pretty. Breaking the Ice, and this is January's box. I actually really like that. All right, let's dig into it. So the first thing I am pulling out is, oh, I like the packaging, I think it's pretty. And it is, what is it? Petite and Pretty, and it's a mascara, and it retails for, oh, I could hardly see that. It says $16. I thought it said $18. I'm not going to open it. I have quite a few mascaras that are open right now, and I don't know if I want to pass. I've never heard of this brand, and I have some pretty definite mascaras that I like to use, so I may just pass this on to one of you guys. So the next thing I am pulling out is a Trip for Two by Wander Beauty. And the packaging looks like that. Okay, so this is a brush and bronzer duo, and it retails for $36. Oh, it's sealed. We'll go ahead and crack open the seal. Hope that doesn't bother any of you if this happens to end up going into a giveaway. Generally, I don't like to break seals, but I kind of feel like palettes and blushes and things like that, just a little bit different. All right, so the packaging is really pretty. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has this texture. I don't know, it's kind of cool. I think the color is pretty too. And that is, ooh, okay. So that says it's a blush and a bronzer. Did it say bronzer? Yeah, blush and bronzer. Okay, so this color of blush right here is super, super pretty. But to me, that looks, I don't know, it's super, super light. Super. So I would think that, I don't think I've ever seen a bronzer that is that light before. And that might actually work on my skin tone. I'm gonna keep this because I think that blush is super, super pretty. Anyway, okay. So, and maybe I will try to contour for the first time. Well, not the first time ever in my life, but the first time ever, and it actually might look good. That's pretty. I'm actually excited about that. Cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Pretty Vulgar, and it is a concealer. Can you guys see that? Here we go. And it's a concealer. It retails for $25. And you know what? That looks like it's my skin tone. I will keep this. I don't typically stray out of my little concealer box, but I don't know. I think I want to try this. So I will keep this. That's interesting. Usually concealers don't get, didn't it? It didn't have a box. Oof. Usually concealers don't get me excited, but I'm actually kind of excited to try this. Cool. So the next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, that's pretty. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And I am going to open this because I will definitely keep this. I'm really excited about this box. So I accidentally ripped it a little bit, but it's a Glow Recipe and it says Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Okay. So this packaging is so beautiful. I don't know, it just looks expensive. I love stuff that looks expensive. It's just so pretty. It does smell like watermelon. Ooh, I like that, but it has a weird consistency. So can you see? Here, put it a little closer. Can you see that? That's kind of a weird consistency. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that until after well, it feels like it's water-based. It's a little slimy. Let's see. Okay, but it feels fine after you rub it in. So, I don't think I've ever been like this excited about Boxycharm before. Like not like this. But this is cool. Okay, so and the last thing oh wait, I didn't tell you what that retailed for. Where is it? That retails for $22. That's not a bad price either. And then the last thing I am pulling out is an Ace Beauté or Butte. I'm not sure how to say that. I'm probably slaughtering it. It's an eyeshadow palette and it retails for $34.99. So that's pretty too. I think that is a really pretty packaging. And ooh. Wow. I am in love. All right, we're gonna do some swatches because I'm totally keeping this. So we're gonna start here. We'll just do a couple because once again, I don't have any wipes in here. But you know what, I'm going to swatch this Sunset Rose. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, is my lighting not very good, you guys? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. We're gonna go into Crimson, which is that really super dark orange right there. Oh, that is so pretty. And let's do Nocturnal. With the way my lighting is going here, I don't think that the colors are really translating like they should, which is why I like to use natural light, but that's super pretty. It's like a dark brick cherry. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And let's do one more. Let's do Aurora. It's a little harder than I would have expected it to be because it's a shimmer. And it's kind of hard, but let's see. Oh, that's so, so pretty. Okay, you guys, this hardly ever happens. But I'm keeping everything in this box except for the mascara. I will pass that along, but this is so rare. And that's awesome though. It's awesome. I like it when a box gets me excited. Like this box kind of puts me back in the time frame of when Boxycharm was like brand new and Ipsy was brand new, and you would get like super duper excited every month to get your box. And you know, over the years that's kind of waned a little, like, oh, that's cool, you know what I mean? It's waned a little bit. So this is the first Boxycharm in a while that has gotten me excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.